Now let us see one more symmetrical problem. So like this, if symmetry, line of symmetry is passing through the column, then how to simplify this we will see. This can be simplified like this. That's all. Fixed. So if line of symmetry is passing through column, central column, then you can go for this kind of simplification. Joint C, B. Spans are here CD, CB to B, BC, BE, BA. Stiffness K, 4A by 4, CB 4A by 3, BC 4A by 3, BE 4A by 4, this also 4A by 3. Okay, sigma K 1 plus 4 by 3 is 7 by 3. Here 1 plus 8 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 8 by 3, 11 by 3, right? So distribution factors 3 by 7, 4 by 7, here 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11, and rotation factors minus 3 by 14, minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 2 by 11. Okay, these are the rotation factors. Now we can perform the calculations.
So minus 3 by 22.
Minus 3 by
22.
Yeah, minus 3 by 22. Okay. So this values are CD. CD means this one, CD minus 3 by 14, CB minus 2 by 7, BC minus 2 by 11, BE minus 3 by 22, BA minus 2 by 11. These are rotation factors and moments. Moments. How much? 12 into 4 square by 12. 16 minus 16. And here also minus 18 into 4 square by
24.
minus 24. Okay. And other side, 16 moments, 16, 24. Okay. Those are the fixed and moments. Now, central values minus 16, minus 24. Now, iteration process. First, start with the C joint, minus 16 into 2 by 7. 32 by 7, how much?
4.57.
57?
1.
Okay. Then minus 16 into minus 3 by 14.
3.428.
Okay, done. Next, coming to joint B. For joint B, foreigners are C, E, A. Okay, for joint B, foreigners are C, E, and A. But we get foreign movements only from C. You will not get any foreign movements from, rotations are not there at A and E because A fixed, E fixed. You will not get any foreign movements from A or E. You get fixed movements only from C. So, minus 24 plus 4.571, the resultant should be factored according to rotation factors. Minus 24 plus 4.571 into 2 by 11, how much?
3.53.
3.530. 3.530, this also. Here,
2.649.
2.649. Okay. Then again to B joint. C joint. For C joint, B is foreign. So at B, CB, the column is developing 3.53. So minus 16 plus 3.53. How much? Minus 16 plus 3.53 unfactored into 3 by 14.
2.672.
2.672. Okay. And into minus 2 by 7.
3.563.
563. Okay, ma. Next, minus 24 plus 3.563 and factors. And 3 by 22. Minus 24 plus 3.563 into 3 by 22. How much?
2.786.
786. Okay. And these are
3.71.
3.71. 3.71. One more iteration. Minus 16 plus 3.71 and 3 by 14.
Two point six three.
2.633. And here
3.511.
511. Okay, next. Here minus 24 plus 3.511 and these values.
Three point 726.
3.726 and here 2.794.
0.794.
Okay, so almost stabilized. We can take, we have place, so we can have one more iteration. Minus 16 plus 3.726 multiplied by factors.
3.507.
3.507 under 2.630.
2.630.
Okay, then here minus 24 plus 3.507 and factors.
3.726.
Stabilized. Okay, 7 to 6. Obviously this one
2.794.
So final values are these. Okay, that means these are final values. I mean stabilized values. So MAB. MAB here only foreign couple is there. Fixed moment is not there. Near end moment is not there. So 3.726 only. MBA 2 times of 3.726. How much?
7.452.
MBE minus 24 plus 2 times of 2.794 equal to
8.12.
minus 18.12. MBE. Then MEB. MEB 24 plus 2.794. 26.794. MBC.
Sir, 8.12.
ఏమా
8.12, sir. 18 కాదు.
ఓ ఇది 8 పాయింటా ఎట్లమ్మా
8.12.
ఏది -24 ప్లస్ అదా
Yes, sir.
-24 plus 2 into 2.794.
Your minus 18.412 వచ్చింది సార్.
ఓకే అమ్మా
Minus 18.412, sir.
ఓకే సో బీసీ రిమెంబర్ 2 times of 3.726 plus 3.507. So always near and 2 times, far and 1 time. Fixed end is there, fixed amount is there, that also you need to take.
10.959.
95.
9.
BC. Then CD minus 16 plus 2.2 into 2.63.
Minus 10.74.
MDC.
74, sir.
Huh?
74. 10.74.
74, okay. MDC 16 plus 2.63. 18.63. So final values we will mark. AB 3.726, BA 7.452, BE 18.412, EB 26.794, BC 10.959, 959, CD 10.74, CD, DC 18.63, CD, sorry,
Sir, CB find out here.
CB, MCB, near end 2 times of 3.507 plus 3.726 equal to
10.74.
10.74. 10.74 and DC 18.63. By using symmetry, other values also you can determine. Okay, just opposite. So quickly we'll see the stat pro also. Three meters and 3 meters, 4 meters here and again 4 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters. Okay. Copy paste X 4 meters. Okay. Then copy paste Y minus 3 meters. Okay. This is the structure and supports. Create, add, select, assign. Property, define rectangle, some 0.4, 0.2 something, and cross, assign to view, assign, load, new, load case, some live load, add, load items, member load, uniform force, minus 12, add, minus 18, add, close, minus 12 load is at top two members, time, so labels we can change here, scales. Okay, then analysis, all, add, close, analyze, analysis. Done, post processing. Okay, then B, graphs. Okay, first one by one column, we'll see. What is the moment for this column? Bottom end?
3.726.
3 point something. 3 point?
726.
Okay, top end?
7.452.
Okay, almost same only. Okay, beam? Left end?
18.412.
19 point, okay. Then right end?
26.794.
Okay, 25.9, okay. This column bottom end?
10.59, 9.9.
11.2, okay. Top end?
10.74.
Okay, 11.4, okay. Then 11 point. The right end of the beam?
Minus 10.74.
Right end. Top beam.
18.63.
17.5. So almost same, okay. So like this you can analyze. Clear kada? Okay, next we'll move. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. So we'll see sway frames now. Sway may be due to number one, unsymmetry in geometry or due to unsymmetry in loading or due to both. Okay, example, suppose this frame loading is symmetrical but frame is not symmetrical. Sometimes frame may be symmetrical like this but loading is unsymmetrical like this. Okay, sometimes support conditions may be not symmetrical like this, one side fixed, other side hinged. Sometimes loading, geometry, everything is same, but properties here to A means here I, this kind of change, I mean unsymmetry in cross section. Then also all these frames are sway frames. Okay, so because of sway, what happens here? Because of sway, some extra movements will develop. Because of this sway, because of this delta effect, here the movements will develop. Okay, displacement moments. Suppose it is delta means h h dash 6ei delta by h square. Here also 6ei delta by h square. Here 6ei delta by h dash square. Here also 6ei delta by h dash square. So these extra displacement moments will develop due to sway, lateral sway. Okay. So how to handle all these sways and all we will see in detail. Where all we need to do changes. Okay. So the theory behind that we will see first. Initially, we will take one simple problem and I will explain you the theory. Let us assume this Q value 10 kilonewtons, and here something 27 kilonewtons, 2 meter, 1 meter. This is I. This is 4 meters, 2I, and here is also 4 meters. I. A, B, C, D, something like this. Okay. Okay, in this frame, basically first equations, moment relations are like this actually. MAB, slope deflection equations actually. MFAB plus 4EA by whatever L span into theta A plus 2EA by L into theta B plus 6EI delta by L square. This kind of equations, right? Here just 2EI by L into theta A, you can treat this as a M dash AB, and 2EI by L into theta B equal to M double dash AB, and 6EI delta by L square, you can treat this as, sorry, that is M dash BA, this one, M dash BA, and this one 6A delta by L square, you can treat this as M double dash AB. Now this equation becomes MAB equal to, of course in columns actually you cannot expect any fixed end moment, because if there are no loads on the column, fixed end moments will be 0, and this will be 4A by L theta A, you can write 2 times of M dash AB plus 2A by L theta B, M dash BA plus M double dash AB. You can write like this. Similarly, MBA you can write 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB plus M double dash AB. M double dash AB is due to translational displacement. Okay. Similarly, MCD, MDC also you can write. MCD equal to 2 times of M dash CD plus M dash DC plus M double dash CD. MDC equal to 2 times of M dash DC plus M dash CD plus M double dash DC. Now one more thing here, M double dash AB is equal to M double dash BA. You know, 6A delta by L square on both ends of the column will be same. Similarly, M double dash CD equal to M double dash of DC. That also will be same. Now at any joint, okay, total moments must be 0. And one more thing we can see, if you see these two columns are like this. I will explain you here. This is one column, this is another column. Okay, so this is MAB, this is MBA, MCD, MDC. So you can expect these reactions here. Suppose this is H, okay. So for clockwise, anti-clockwise reactions you can expect here. So here reaction is, let us assume HA or HC. You know, for equilibrium condition of sigma h equal to 0, Q plus HA plus HC must be 0 because it is sigma h equal to 0 condition. Okay, some of the horizontal forces must be 0. That means Q plus HA is nothing but MAB plus MBA divided by HA reaction. Okay, plus HC reaction is MCD plus MDC by H. Okay, this must be 0, or this you can write like this: QH plus MAB plus MBA plus MCD plus MDC equal to 0. Now we know what is MAB, MBA. These two summation. If you do this summation, what happens? You see, QH plus 2 M dash AB, that is 3 M dash AB. Here M dash BA, 2 M dash BA. That means plus 3 M dash BA. And from MCD, MDC, you can see plus 3 M dash CD plus 3 M dash DC plus M double dash AB, M double dash BA. Both are same, right? Here if you want, you can write BA here. M double dash AB, M double dash BA, both are same. That means 2 times of M double dash AB plus 2 times of M double dash CD equal to 0. Next, what about M double dash AB plus M double dash CD equal to? Just we are separating that. Okay, that is minus 3 by 2 times of QH by 3. Okay, plus M dash AB plus M dash BA plus M dash CD plus M dash DC. Okay, is it okay for you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then here, you know, unless the joint is rotated, you cannot expect any rotational moment. So AB already at end A, and A is fixed. So n dash AB obviously will be 0 because there is no question of rotation at A. Similarly, there is no question of rotation at C. M dash CD will be 0. So now n double dash AB plus n double dash CD equal to minus 3 by 2 times of QH by 3 plus M dash BA plus M dash DC. See, M dash BA is for AB column, okay, for AB column top end rotation moment. For CD column top end rotation moment is M dash CD. QH is rotation moment. QH is called rotation, I mean story moment. QH is called story moment. 10 into that Q into height, story moment by 3 will be there. QH by 3 plus top end moments of top end rotation moments into minus 3 by 2. Okay, that is M double dash AB plus M double dash CD. See, our aim is to find the translation moments, that is displacement moments, that is M double dash AB, that is 68 delta by L square, that amount, that quantity we need to find actually. But mixed way we know these values, okay? M double dash AB plus M double dash CD, together we know the value, minus 3 by 2 times of this something. But how to find individually, M double dash AB, M double dash CD, how to find that? That we will see in detail. You know, these columns actually, so this side stiffness may be different. This side stiffness may be different. Okay, this is maybe IAB. This is maybe ICD. Okay, now this value actually, what is this? 6 EIAB delta by, let us assume equal heights. Okay, H square. This is M double dash AB equal to, of course this is M double dash BA, same amount. Okay, that one also. This one M double dash CD will be 6 EICD of delta by H square. Here also same, M double dash DC also. Okay, that means here the ratio of M double dash AB divided by M double dash of CD, the ratio depends on what? 6 EIAB delta by H square divided by 6 EICD delta by H square. This you can write like this: 6 times of E IAB by H into delta by H by 6 EICD by H into delta by H. This you can write IAB by H is 6E K times K. K is here simply I by A, I by H. Okay, KAB delta by H by 6E KCD delta by H. That means simply it depends on KAB by KCD. The ratio of M double dash AB, M double dash CD depends on its it based on its ratio of stiffness. Okay, that means M double dash AB equal to what? KAB by KAB plus KCD multiplied by M double dash of AB plus M double dash of CD. If you know that combined value, you can separate like this. Okay, M double dash of AB equal to, in the ratio of its stiffness, KAB, AB stiffness divided by sum of the stiffnesses of AB and CD multiplied by sum of the moments. Okay, displacement moments. Now you can write like this: KAB by KAB plus KCD. It is actually the distribution factor kind of thing only. Okay, into, see, if you see previous slide, what is M double dash AB, M double dash CD? minus 3 by 2 QH by 3 M dash BA plus M dash DC, right? That you write here. Minus 3 by 2 QH by 3 plus M dash BA, right? M dash BA plus M dash DC. Okay. Okay. This is M double dash AB. Similarly, M double dash CD if you want to find, that is KCD divided by KAB plus KCD into minus 3 by 2 into QH by 3 plus M dash BA plus M dash DC. Okay, like this. That means this entire thing we can treat this as this one displacement factor. Displacement factor multiplied by QH by 3 plus M dash BA plus M dash DC. Similarly here, this also same, I mean for MCD displacement factor of AB, this one displacement factor of CD multiplied by QH by 3 plus M dash BA plus M dash DC. So very simple, how to find displacement factor means displacement factor of AB is nothing but minus 3 by 2 times of KAB by sigma K. Sigma K of that story. In that story, how many columns are there? That many. Suppose if you have 3 columns in that story, so sum of the 3 column stiffnesses. Okay. Similarly, displacement factor of CD equal to minus 3 by 2 times of KCD divided by sigma K. Here in this case, sigma K is K of AB plus K of CD. Okay. So like this, first we need to find displacement factors also. So fixed moments and joints spans K, sigma K, 10 by 3A and 7 by 3 na?
Sir.
Okay, then distribution factors.
3 by 5,
3 by 5,
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Then
4 by 7, 3 by 7.
4 by 7, 3 by 7. Then rotation factors.
Minus 3 by 10.
Minus 3 by 10,
Minus 2 by 10.
minus 2 by 10,
Minus 2 by 7.
minus 3 by 14. These are the rotation factors. Okay. So we need to find rotation factors and displacement factors also we need to find. How to find displacement factors we'll see. So we have only one story here. For this story, columns are story 1. So columns. How many columns are there here? AB one column is there, CD one column is there. For these columns, what is K? K is here. Simply you can take, okay, no problem. 4 times of 2A by 4 and CD 4A by 4. Sigma K, how much? 2 plus 1, 3 A. Then displacement factor, I am representing with capital D. Okay, displacement factor. This displacement factor equal to minus 3 by 2 times of K by sigma K. This is the formula. So total displacement factors will be minus 3 by 2 for any given story. Similarly, total rotation factors for a given joint is minus 0.5. Total distribution factors for moment distribution method 1 at any joint. So at any joint, rotation factor sum will be minus 0.5. Distribution factors here minus 3 by 2. So for this minus 3 by 2 into here it is 2 by 3. How much? Minus 1. For this, minus 3 by 2, 4 by 4 is 1. 1 by 3, that equal to minus half. So these are the displacement factors. Okay. Displacement factors. So for given story, we need to find displacement factors. So after having these displacement factors, you can form table and you can execute process these values. So we'll fill the values. First, fixed moments minus 6 and 12. So here minus 6, here 12. Next, factors here, rotation factors. BA means here minus 0.3, BD minus 0.2, DB minus 2 by 7, DC minus 3 by 14. Here displacement factors here minus 1 and minus half. Displacement factors. Okay. Now we can start our process. Oh, okay. First, same. Our rotational distributions are same as before. That is minus 6 into minus 0.3. How much? Column I will write here. For BA column I will write here.
1.8.
For BA 1.8. 1.8 BA. BC I will write here. BD. For BD here how much? 1.2. Right? Otherwise I will write here simply. M dash BA. This is M dash BD values. Here M dash DB values. Here I will write M dash DC values. Okay, now next iteration here at joint D, 12 plus 1.2, 12 as usual, 12 plus 1.2 multiplied by minus 2 by 7. How much? This 12 plus 1.2 forward moment. We need to add that forward moment to fixed moment. Okay.
Minus 3.771.
Minus 3.77. 2 decimals will take. Okay. Similarly, DC.
Minus 2.828.
Minus 2.83. Okay. So first cycle over. Rotation. Rotation contributions. Okay. Now displacement contributions we will see. Displacement here M double dash AB one side, M double dash CD one side. I will write. See what is the formula for M double dash? Just check it here. M double dash is nothing but distribution factor multiplied by QH by 3 plus M dash BA plus M dash DC. Okay. Here write this also. QH by 3 how much? 10, h is here 4 by 3, that equal to 40 by 3. So now how much you will get here? See, 40 by 3 and m dash dA 1.8 m dash dc minus 2.83 summation of this one. What is that? 40 by 3 plus 1.8 minus 2.83. That multiplied by distribution factor minus 1 and minus half. Okay, do that and tell me. 40 by 3 story moment by 3, 10 into 4 is the story moment by 3 plus 1.8 plus minus 2.83 into minus 1. How much?
Minus 12.30.
Minus 12.30. Okay. This side. That into minus half. Minus 6.15. So first cycle over for displacement also. Next, coming to rotation. Next. Coming to rotation, here for rotational moments, we need to take the displacement moment also, because you see here you see MAB formula. Now, what is MAB formula here? 2 times of near end moment plus far end moment plus another thing is there. What is this M double dash AB? Displacement contribution. Okay. In beams till now we have not considered any displacement, right? Or symmetrical frames we have not considered any displacement moments m double dash AB. So first time we are encountering this displacement moments m double dash AB because of sway. Because of sway m double dash AB is also coming. That's why here now in next cycle, see here minus 6 far end moment minus 3.77. Okay, anything is there? Far end moments minus 6 far end moment and displacement moment minus where we are calculating. 1 second. Sorry, for beam we will not get anything. Minus 6 minus 3.77 into rotation factors. Do that. Don't add this rotation, I mean this displacement moment for that. Minus 6 minus 3.77 multiplied by minus 0.3 and minus 0.2. How much?
1.954 sir, pi d m dash bd.
1.954
m dash bd sir.
M dash BD 1.954. Something wrong. 1 second. Wait. Yeah, how much?
Minus 2.201.
1 second. This 6.62 and minus 3 points. I mean minus 2.83. 2.83. Yeah. Minus 2.01 and this one minus 1 point.
M dash bc 2.201.
BC now. Check it.
Yes sir.
2.01. Okay. $2.01. DC na 2.01 na?
Yes sir. 201.
2.201 na?
Yes sir.
DB enta?
Minus 2.934.
Minus 2.93. ఇది ఎంత minus 2 point 501
201.
20, okay, minus 2.20, okay, second cycle over, okay. Next, this one, m double dash ab. M double dash ab is nothing but now 40/3 far end 6.62 and minus 2.2 into minus 1. How much? (40/3) plus
Minus 17.75.
minus 17.75.
75.
Here 40/3 into 40/3 plus 6.62 minus 2.2 into minus half. How much?
Minus 8.876.
8.876 means 88. Okay. Next cycle. Minus 6 far end minus 2.93 displacement moment minus 17.75 into minus 0.2.
Five point double 36.
34. 2 decimal round cheyandi. Next into minus 0.3.
8.00.
Here 12, 5.34 and minus 8.88. 12, 5.34 and minus 8.88 into rotation factors. (12 plus 5.34 minus 8.88 into minus 2/7 equal to how much into minus 3/14 how much? This is summation of frictional moments, this is foreign moment, and this is the displacement moment.
Minus 2.42.
Minus 2.42.
42.
Then
Minus 1.8282.
82. Okay. Next here. 40/3 plus 8 minus 1.82 into minus 1.
Minus 19.51.
This side
Minus 9.76.
next cycle minus 6 far end moment minus 2.42 displacement moment minus 19.51 multiplied by minus 0.2 and into minus 0.3. Minus 0.2 how much?
8.38, sir. MBA. MDAS-BA.
8.38.
38.
Okay, then
5.59.
Next cycle, this one 12 far end moment 5.59 displacement moment minus 9.76 multiplied by minus 2/7 multiplied by minus 3/14.
Minus 2.24. Minus 1.68.
Okay. Next here, displacement moment. Displacement moment 40 by 3 plus 8.38 minus 1.68 into minus 1 into minus half.
minus 20.03. Minus 10.02.
Okay. Next. One more cycle. Next. Minus 6 plus foreign moment minus 2.24 displacement moment minus 20.03 into minus
8.48.
huh?
8.48.
And into minus 0.2
5.65.
Next, this side 12 foreign moment 5.65 displacement moment minus 10.02 into
minus 2.18.
minus
2.18.
2.18
Yes, sir.
and minus 1.64.
64.
64.
We will do one more cycle. It is stabilizing. Tell me now 40 by 3 plus 8.48 minus 1.64 into minus 1.
Minus 20.17. Minus 10.08.
Okay. Next cycle. One more cycle we will do. Final cycle. Minus 6 plus minus 2.18 minus 20.17 into factors.
8.51.
5.67.
Next 12 plus 5.67 minus 10.08.
Minus 2.17.
1 point.
Minus 1.63.
Okay, enough. Okay, we'll have final values and this one, this one, this one, this one. Tell me what is MAB? MAB equal to no fixed moment, no near end moment, only far end moment, right? Far end moment how much? 8.51. What is displacement moment? Minus 20.17 equal to
0.66.
minus
Minus 11.66.
11.66.
66.
Okay. What is MAB? MBA 2 times of near end moment 8.51 minus 20.17. Displacement moment will come for both ends. Okay.
Minus 3.15.
Next, MBD. For MBD calculation, I mean beam calculation, you should not add any displacement moment. For this, minus 6 plus 2 times of 5.67 minus 2.17. That's all.
3.17.
MDB 12 minus 2 times of plus 2 times of minus 2.17 plus 4 and 5.67.
13.33.
MDC equal to near end moment, 2 times of near end moment minus 1.63, far end moment 0, fixed moment, I mean displacement moment minus 10.08.
minus 1.34.
DC
Minus 1.34.
2 into minus 1.63 minus 10.08.
Minus
12
13.3.
Sir, 12.
Huh?
Okay.
Column minus
13.34.
3.
4.
Okay. DC. CD no near end, far end, that is minus 1.63, displacement minus 10.08, which is equal to
Minus 11.71.
11.71. I will mark here AB anti-clockwise 11.66, anti-clockwise 3.15, clockwise 3.17, 13.33 clockwise, anti-clockwise 13.34, and anti-clockwise 11.71. So this is the sway analysis, okay? So quickly we'll see this one, start analysis. Four meters, 3 meters, right? Otherwise, I think already I did. Yeah, property I have given R1 means this one, R2 means double of that 2i I have given for this, okay? 2i I mentioned here. You see this cross section, width 0.2. For this one, width 0.1 I have given. That means 0.1 means here width I increased by 2 times. That means 2i. You will get 2i for this. So loads also you can see, general loading. This is 10 kilonewtons and this is 27. So we'll see post processing. This is displaced structure and beam graphs. So 11.7, 3.19. Bottom 11.7, top 3.19. This one 3.19 and 13.3 right side of the beam. Then this column 13.3 and 11.7. Okay. These are the results. Okay. Clear, Andarki?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, we'll see some homework problems. Tomorrow we will see how to handle different column lengths as well as different support conditions. Okay. For today, write some problems. $20 kilonewtons, 20 kilonewtons, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter. ABCD. You can take symmetry as advantage, okay, for this. Next problem. Thirty kilonewtons. Okay, this you do. This is also symmetry problem. So ఈ 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయండి. ఇట్లా 4 సిమెట్రీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకటి మాత్రమే మీకు అన్సిమెట్రీ ఉందన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఈ వర్కౌట్ చేయండి.